Last week's news about the paper leak of NEET has shocked the country. बहुत ही दर्द होता है. रोज की न्यूज़पेपर की हेडलाइंस, इतने cities of India involved, including my own Pune. What a shame. I mean, teachers, coaching classes, middlemen are being arrested और वो सही भी है. इसकी सजा तो मिलनी चाहिए. But there is a disturbing question playing in my mind. Why do teachers, educators risk their own reputation, dignity, careers for a few lakhs of rupees? The answer is not an individual greed. बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो फिर क्या हो सकता है? देखिए हमने क्या कर रखा है. What kind of an education system have we built? It's a system where fear is the business. Students are told from the beginning, जल्दी से कोचिंग क्लास ज्वाइन कर लो वरना आप सक्सीड नहीं होगे. 14 घंटा पढ़ो, otherwise कुछ नहीं होगा. बस ये एक ही एग्जाम है लाइफ की. That's it. That's the way they are actually brainwashed. And parents spend enormous amount of money. Students are under constant stress. Stress becomes normal. Curiosity disappears. And the coaching factories, they compete only for one thing and just one thing. The AIR rankings, the advertisements, the selection numbers, किसको परवाह है बच्चों की. And some of them cross the legal and ethical boundary. You know why? Just to stay on top. This is really not a law and order problem. I think this is a learning crisis. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that we strongly believe this in Shiksha, very strongly. We advocate this wherever we go, that we must build independent learning skills in students from middle school itself. Students should know how to think critically, how to solve a problem, how to use books and teachers and technology and AI responsibly, how to build discipline without fear. क्यों? A self-confident learner is very hard to exploit. कोई नहीं exploit कर पाएगा when you believe in yourself. Schools should create thinkers and not customers for the coaching classes. क्या हो रहा है? Good teachers must inspire learning. ये नहीं कि किसी और पे dependence all the time. If we truly want to protect our students now, मुझे लगता है there is no point thinking of punishment after the corruption has happened. We must reduce our education system's dependence on outside coaching culture itself. One way and the only way I think which is feasible, doable in schools is to build self-regulated, independent learning skills from middle school itself. We are doing that with several schools and it is a success story. सोच के देखिए इसको.